You want to tell something about it?
Yeah, this Vietnamese wrap.
It's Vietnamese crab, right? Are you okay if I put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Post your country right now.
Sorry? The
Post your country right now.
Oh, Indian food. Yeah, yeah. A lot of food. Plenty of food. But Vietnamese food is also very good.
Yeah, same my country.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. This is a vegan restaurant. Yeah, and I cook Vietnamese wrap.
So this is a vegan restaurant, right? Yeah.
This is a vegetable or Vietnamese wrap.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So that's the best thing about Vietnamese food. I mean, since I've arrived here, pretty much everything comes with this green leafy salad. It's just healthy.
How long you stay here?
Oh, I'm staying in Vietnam 9 days, but Hoi An 3 or 4 days. So I came yesterday.
Yeah.
I'll go maybe Thursday or Friday to Da Nang.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm working in Malaysia, so Sunday go back Malaysia.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm working in Malaysia.
Come back to Malaysia.
Yeah, I'm going back Malaysia.
You're here alone?
I'm traveling alone. Traveling alone. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Me.
Me.
Yeah, and this is restaurant vegan.
Restaurant vegan. The name.
Yeah, vegan.
Vegan.
Vegan. That's my husband.
Oh, that's your husband.
Hello.
Hello.
My restaurant only me as my husband. My restaurant only me as my husband.
Oh, both of you are running.
Do everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
So much. And this looks beautiful. I mean, this looks, of course, delicious and beautiful at the same time.
Thank you. Thank you. Nó gọi một phần là cà phê nóng rồi. Dạ, đúng rồi. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. You know how to eat. I show you.
Yeah, you show me how to eat.
The first message.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you, Francis. Yeah, thank you, Francis.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you put the sauce?
Yes,
No sauce?
yes. I just put
Okay, I
this-
dip in the sauce
Yeah.
and then eat it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow, this looks delicious. Let's see how it is. This is, it's nice. So I wasn't expecting to eat pancakes like this, the way the lady showed me just now, but I don't know how to describe the taste. It's a bit more umami taste, but it's just refreshing with all the veggies and the herbs inside. We're good.